Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a very clean 2006 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This bike has just a touch under 40K on it, but is in incredible condition. And this bike will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Bike's been kept very clean and very nice shape. Tires appear to be in good shape. Look like they've got plenty of miles left on it. Comes with the factory highway lights. It's got a taller, clear windscreen with a triple windscreen pouch on it. Aftermarket aftermarket grips. Highway bars. Footboards for the driver. Footboards for the passenger. A comfort seat with driver's backrest, as well as a quick release passenger backrest and luggage rack. This bike also has Bassani pipes on it. And again, footboards for the driver and the passenger, as well as the heel toe shifter, grips, and highway bars. And again, our clear windscreen with the triple pouches. You know, I just realized I didn't show the back tire. Pretty decent shape yet still as well. So, alright, show you those miles now. There we go, 39,991, so just under 40,000. This 2006 Harley Davidson Street Glide will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.